So welcome back guys. Today is 19th of February 2025. And we're going to start off with Dow Jones. So as you can see that the weekly chart, as we have marked up before, it's the same, and the price has rejected from this level of imbalance, but we will just refine today to find any possible entries, as we don't have any news upcoming today. In 4 hours 57 minutes we have FOMC, but by the time we will be done trading, and it says at 3 a.m. Okay, that's already over. So as we can see that the price from the weekly imbalance has rejected very well, but the price did find some support at this level. So coming to the daily time frame, we see that the price here has got the support, and the price has been rejecting from this point since last week. Yeah, so in a daily time frame we can see also that the price, this is the high, the swing high for this entire session of 2 weeks, and this is the swing low. So we can see in the 4 hours that the price has been continuously rejecting, and it's been following a bearish trend line, as well as if you see from here, the price has been following a bullish trend line, right? So the price is in a very bad situation here. You can see the price, as long as the price comes in this place, in this level of support, it gets rejected. Every time when the price is coming back to the trend line, it's getting rejected, and the same thing happening in the in the buy side. So this is a kind of a consolidation zone. As you can see, the price has been in this area, in this zone, since 6th of February, and entirely you can see that the price is not trending at all. Since from 22nd of January, 23rd of January, the price has been ranging in this entire region, which is from 44,000 to 45,100. So let's just mark up the support and resistance for the short term. So we can see the price has got some support here. Yeah, the price has got some support here, and this we will mark as a swing high for today. In the daily chart, we see that yesterday the price closed in an indecision candle. It was not bullish, neither bearish, but price did show a good rejection from this area. Yeah, in 1 hour you can see the price showed a good rejection from this level. So in the 4 hours we have these two levels of, one is support here and the resistance on the top. We will also mark another which looks valid to me, somewhere around here. So these levels are very important, this and this one here, and in the 1 hour we can see as well. So this support stays here as long as the price respects this level, 44,400. So as long as the price is above this level, this will act as a support. And given the fact that the price, after rejection from this level, the price did leave a huge imbalance entirely, like this entire candle, it will mark according to the time frames. So in 1 hour we also see that the price yesterday, after a sell-off, when we missed the sell on the price yesterday, it left a huge imbalance here, which you can see that the price did come, test the imbalance, fill up the entire gap, and then followed to the downside. Yeah, so this here is also a level of support that I must mark. And let's see in the lower time frame what's going on. In lower time frame, we see that the price, look, this looks very clean. I did enter this trade in the morning, but I was not able to monitor it, so I closed it with 1 hour something, not even 1 hour. I took the trade somewhere around here. After this break of this level, I took the trade somewhere around here. I closed somewhere around here or here. It was a good call, but I was not able to monitor, so I couldn't hold it. So in the 1 hour, we see that the price did fill up the imbalance in the top, leaving a support for the price at this level in 1 hour, in 4 hours as well, in 1 hour as well, in 30 minutes. No, in 30 minutes we will spot this as a support, and this resistance is invalid because we have a huge imbalance in the top, as you can see. Yeah, this entire imbalance here can possibly be tested. So we have these two levels which are very important. One, this level I'm going to mark like this, and another one, this low. In 15 minutes, let's see what we have. In 15 minutes, the price looks like the price needs to come to fill up this imbalance before shooting back up, if it does. And also in 5 minutes, I think there is some imbalance left to be filled. Yeah, somewhere around here. So this is a current situation of US 30. Looks like the price is still have a wide range today to consolidate. So a bit off season, I would say, for US 30. I don't like when the price consolidates like this and stays in one place or in one range for so long, but it is what it is. So we will see, we will have like two important levels to place our orders. One is going to be somewhere around here, that we can indeed place an order with 50 ticks of stops, 50, 55, and target the same level as here. So this could potentially be a good entry, but we need to see how the market gets open and how the price reacts. I'm going to do some analysis again on a inverted chart so that we have a better outlook. In the inverted chart, we see that the price, let's scale from 4 hours. Look, we understand that the price wants to go up to the upside, which is the downside, right? But I'm just going to talk like it's the real chart. So we can see that the price tends to, go to the upside here to fill up this entire gap which the price has left before. But at the same time, this area has been holding the price very hard, and every time it tests this level, the price has been rejecting, right? So we have these levels marked already. We have this level marked already. So this is in the 4 hours. In 1 hour, what we see that indeed the price is holding to this lower lows, but it's failing to make a higher high. Yeah, so let's see if if we manage to get something. I'm gonna remove everything again, and I'm going to mark not everything, but let me see. In this, it looks like the price, it got the imbalance from here. Now the price would like to go up, but this point here probably will stop the price here, and in 30 minutes something similar. Well, this looks like an area that it can potentially test, especially at the New York Open. As you can see, the same thing happened on 14th of February. The market did test this imbalance, and then here again yesterday price did test the imbalance. So yeah, I think this level can be a good level for our entry. So I will be interested I will be interested in selling today, as I was yesterday as well, but couldn't get the right place for my sales yesterday. I did sell this level here. I did sell this level yesterday, but the price had a lot of imbalance left on the top, so it did came to test the imbalance before a huge push down. No, yesterday the price was somewhere here. Uh, yeah, here. So I did sell yesterday on yesterday's broadcast that we did. I did sell here, but it was already very low because I wanted to sell somewhere around here, and the price did come back up and gave an opportunity to sell. But the price did consolidate for a long time. You see, this entire range was from 5 p.m. until 7 8 p.m. Yeah, so price has been acting a bit ugly these days, but let's see if we can get some good entries today. I'm gonna mark another level which looks very appropriate for me, which is something like this. I'm gonna mark this with 2 pixels because this is going to be my important level. Yeah, this is going to be important level for me because it does have a potential of holding the price and rejecting them, and it's perfectly aligning with this level of imbalance in 15 minutes. So we have these two possible area today. I will be very much interested in selling around this level. Stops are going to be a bit wide, maybe I'm not sure. Let's see in 5 minutes where do we have. Yeah, I think it looks good to me. I would be interested in selling somewhere around here because the price has left a huge imbalance. At this level, I'm gonna mark this with 1 pixels. This is our high. Yeah, so I think this would be the trade that I would be interested in taking today. But let's analyze some trading ideas for the buy side, as we can see that the price has left some imbalance in the bottom as well. So it's very likely that the price might take some orders from here, from this level. But since the price has been falling, I will wait for a shift in structure, something like this, to possibly enter this area to target this high. This can as well be a good trading idea. Well, we wait. So yeah, we'll be waiting for the price to maybe react on this level here and show some sign of a reversal. That way we can maybe plan for a trade idea like this to the upside. Well, that depends on the market condition, because we still have 10 minutes for the markets to get open. In 1 hour you can see that the price has left a lot of liquidity here, a lot. So in 4 hours as well. So we have two trading opportunity. One, something like this, depending on the market structure shift, and something like this one. Yeah, so we have to wait for the price to play. We will wait for the volatility and we see. So yeah, this is my overall lookout for Dow Jones. Let's flip the chart again to see something that we cannot see in the regular chart. This looks like that the price would really want to come to test this level, because it's a huge imbalance that the price has left. So I'm really counting on this trade idea of sell. counting on the 30 minutes imbalance as well. If we can mark the chart like this, we have the high somewhere around here, the last high of the from this candle. So I think this entire zone can be entry point entirely. So it's like 30, 35, 40 ticks. This entire range is something like 44 ticks. So yeah, even in 4 hours we can see that the price did leave some imbalances here, a huge one. So yeah, we have 7 minutes for the markets to open. In 15 minutes also we have this imbalance that I'm counting on. So yeah, as we can see that the price is coming to fill up this imbalance. Let's see. So we have this level as well for the price to break. This is going to be the master level, because any breach above this, I think it will surely call for a bullish bias. As long as the price remains under this level, we can look for sell ideas. So yeah, in 5 minutes we see that the price is here in this imbalance. Not going to mark too many levels, but just some technical markups. So seeing in the inverted chart, we can tell if the price does reverse from this level. It can possibly, you know, there is a chance that if the price break above this level like this, for example, then this could be a possible support. So we need to see how the price rejects from this level. I will only enter in a confirmation on a rejection. I'm not going to put any limit orders, because this, if you see in the line chart, see if the price managed to break above this high, so this can potentially become a support. So we'll have to wait, because the possibility is as well that the price could just cancel all this high. Yeah, so we'll wait. This 2 weeks has been a lot of waiting game. A lot of patience needed. Let's see where we have our levels. This does show us a level of rejection here. I'm not gonna give it too much thought. Regarding zone, let me just mark up a zone so that we also have that idea in our head. So yeah, this is going to be a zone, but at the same time we have a lot of imbalances here, so we have to be careful with the zone strategy today. Maybe if we take this as a zone, um, not sure. So I'm going to wait. So here's the candle of the bank, and it looks like this imbalance has been filled. If the price respect this level, then we can maybe look for a buy, maybe, not sure. Only if the price respect this level of imbalance that we have, as well as in 15 minutes. If not, then we surely gonna go down. But again, we have a lot of imbalance left at this area. So it's very likely that the price would come to this level, but I don't know when. So yeah, now that this imbalance has been rejected, so we can just remove this, and maybe we can plan a trade somewhere like this. Of course, going to be a bit risky, but I would I would like to, if the candle closes below, I would definitely like to make order on sell only if the candle closes below. If not, then this will be considered as a fake out. But yeah, if we see a clean break above, break below this level, then there is no harm entering on this trade. The target is very small, Agreed, the target is very small, but we can always move to BE. That I'm talking only when we get the trade. Because let me remind that we as well have an imbalance here. So I think the price will do something like this: a quick down week and then the upside week and then close inside of this range, which is what the price mostly does. And this time we'll see. Not planning anything yet. Because the targets are very short. You see the small targets. Talking about the imbalances, then we have this imbalance left that we were talking about yesterday. So yeah, if we get on a trade on the sell side, we can possibly move it to BE and target until here. But the price needs to fill up the imbalances, the unfinished business, which is here and then here. Seems like it's not gonna work now. No, this candle, I don't consider this candle as a break. Or maybe, let's see the closure of this candle. We still have 20 seconds. It would be very quick to decide the trade. But I'm gonna take my chances. 50 tick stops. Only if this one gets triggered. Well, so I'm going to remove the order because the price is still, I can see that the price is still here. It has not closed below this imbalance. So this can technically act as a support. So I'm going to wait I wanted to enter when the price started breaking down at this level, but it just didn't trigger with a couple of ticks. So I'm gonna wait. Looks like we did miss the short, but it's alright. We'll wait for this candle closure. The problem is in the London session, the market expanded a lot. You see, from 522 to 688, like 150 ticks. So I would like to see if this candle closes above this wick, above this level. If it managed to close above this level, then this fair value gap or imbalance it's still valid, but I don't think it's going to happen. Nope. Well, now let's get it clean again. We have this level that needs to be broken in order to take a buy, right? And then we have this level that can be our potential target if we get on the buy. So in 1 minute time frame, we see that we have some imbalance here, and in 3 minutes as well. In 5 minutes, not really. In 5 minutes, somewhere around here. So yeah, we will wait for this level and for this level to be taken out. This would be the primary level to be taken out, and then we can plan a buy, maybe somewhere like this, and our target would be like 2.5 or something. Or we will wait for this we'll wait for the price to close above this level, and we'll wait for this imbalance to be rejected, and then we can plan a buy maybe. Not very sure on the buys today, so we gotta wait. With the zones, with the strategy that I have created about the zone, it calls for a sell, but given the fact that we have these imbalances on the top, I just don't feel like selling. Very too much conflict today in the market, as always. This calls for a sell, but too early to make a decision right now. Every candle has got a sell volume. So we'll stick to the plan. We'll stick to the plan of this imbalance, and we will wait for any structure shift on this candle, this market condition. If we see a structure shift like a closing above this point, then we can look for a buy indeed. This would be our 2 points. One is going to be this, and the second one is going to be this. So we have two levels that the price needs to break. I'm gonna ignore this imbalance here, because the price, if the price wants to fill up the imbalance, it would go for the extreme imbalance level, which is this. So we'll wait for a break above this level so that we can buy any retracement and target till here, and we'll wait for any structure shift here to sell the market and target till this low. Alright, so this is going to be the plan for today. The zone remains intact here. I placed the order here. Let's see, because according to my strategy of zone, it should play. price has been ranging again, and it doesn't look like a clear direction, but I'm gonna go with this one. Actually, I should have placed the trade already before, as I have planned, but given the fact about the imbalances available on the top, it just made me to wait. I'm still not very sure about this trade, but I would like to take it because it's just the strategy that I use. Or let's better wait for any break above or below this level, this zone, because now this one looks a bit exhausted. The price has been ranging here for a long time. This is not what I would like to see. So given the fact that we have this level of imbalance available here as well, so I'm gonna wait and see what the price does, because right now the volume is lacking, the price is consolidating. I don't want to enter in a market like this, so I'm gonna wait. Because this place here is a clear imbalance that the price might test, and my stops were above this level, exactly where the price has the possibility to go. So I think I should rather wait than taking a chance on this one. So I will wait for any breach of this area here. So well, now the price looks like it wants to move in the direction that I want. I'm still not favored on buying yet. I would like to see a break above this level, at least this one, at least this level. Technically it should be this one, right here, but I would like to see at least this level, or maybe depending on the market condition, maybe if we see a good volume kicking in and if the price has rejected this area, like something like this candle, then I would be very much interested in taking a buy and targeting the top imbalance, something like this. Yep. So let's hope the price plays the way that we are wanting it to play, and we see. So this is going to be my final call for today, somewhere like this. If only if the price closes above this candle, above this one, above this level, like this, then I would like to enter in a retest and target the highs. Hustle below the last week. Total in risk would be $250. That's going to be 50 ticks. But all of that only if the candle closes above, which I don't see it happening again. The price is getting rejected. It's the price is very depressed. Really depressed. And let's see, it has increased our stops if we buy. So this zone also holding the price. This zone is holding the price very well. Say in 15 minutes, in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, in 4 hours as well. So yeah, this could be our buy area. I'll just place the order. It got triggered, and let's see if we can manage to target at least 2 hour on this trade, something like this, or if it's a no. Let's see. I entered in a flow, but I wanted to wait for this candle to close, but it's just I just wanted to risk on this one. I wanted this candle to close first, only then I would have wanted to enter buy limit with a limit order, but it's okay. Turns out to play dirty. see. Wait for the closure of this candle. I think I should wait for the confirmation. So if the price comes here, I'm going to just close in a break even. The entry was very quick. I should have waited. So I will just close this trade on break even if it comes. I'll just close it. I'll just close it here. I will wait for a confirmation. It's a bit tricky today. So one break even, and let's see how far we go today. Anything will do. If this candle close above this level as well, I would like to enter again on a buy. Price is stuck at one place. Oof. It was a good call, but let's see. At least we will get the confirmation on this level. So yeah, I'm gonna place my orders. I'm gonna have my orders ready. The moment this candle closes, I'm going to place my limit order exactly here with the 50 tick stops and 100 ticks, 120 ticks limit. I've already placed my order. Let's see. It has triggered. Again, I did a bit early FOMO. Should have waited for this candle to close, but this time I'm gonna take it. Whatever it is, just risk it. Just hope this candle closes above. It doesn't play around again. This time it's going to be like 60 ticks of stops. 9 more seconds. Well, again it closed just below. Now it's getting so much conflicted. Just below. Let's see. Goodness gracious. This is my last trade for today. If one I had a BE, if this one, if something goes wrong, I will be done for today. I hope not. This trade has potential of at least 150 ticks or 110 ticks. Damn, bro. Such a shitty price action today, but I'm counting on this trade. We have multiple levels that we can possibly mm, take profit, but given the fact that the market has been selling and selling and selling, I don't really understand today the market. I might as well close this one. It's getting on my nerves today, the market. Well, I closed this one as well. I want to take a break to understand what it's trying to do. Meanwhile, I will try to understand what the market is trying to do. So again, deleting everything and removing all the indicators. We have, if we invert the candle, we see some things very clear, which is the zone in 5 minutes. So this here, it technically it looks like a zone to me. Yeah, so this is the zone and this is here the support, right? So now that we wait for the price to break above or below this level, we are gonna place our trade, right? So I'm going to wait for this candle closure, keeping in mind that we have an imbalance here, plus we have imbalances on the top. So I'm going to target, if I get on a buy, I would target this high, right? So I will wait for the market to break above this level, and then I can put my trade something like this, very clean, no drama, and target this high, which is gonna be to our potential. So yeah, we wait for this zone to break, and this as well is a support for the price, I mean the resistance for the price. So we will wait for these two levels to be taken off. The best thing to do is to wait for the 5 minutes candle to close. Due to the impulse, I thought that the price is going to close above this level, so I took the trade, and then I realized that I need to wait. I don't have to do the FOMO thing. I don't have to become a victim of FOMO. So I'm going to wait. That way I will have more confirmation and more certainty of the trade. Even though if I miss the trade, I miss the trade. It happens sometimes that you don't get a good trade and it's been a week. You just want to get on anything, and that in result you fuck up your account. So I'm going to wait for a closure above this level or below this level for any execution. I'm not going to execute anything inside of this level. Simple as that. Simple as that. Very clear. If you just invert the chart, you see it. You see it yourself. You see it yourself. What a crazy consolidation here, Mira. What a crazy consolidation. So it was good that I got out of my trade on a break even. Look, the candles are not closing above this zone, is being respected very well. So I'm going to wait. Yeah, I'm going to wait. If I have to do execution in the higher level, I do the execution in the higher level. No pasa nada, no problem. But I'm going to wait. So look, this is what happens when we don't wait for the candle confirmation in 5 minutes. So we wait for the candle closure and then we'll plan our entry. In this as well, you can see in the line chart, we see that the price did get reject from this level, from this high, invalidating the market structure shift, MSS, what you call. So I'm going to wait. No. Even for the short, we have the levels here, one over here, and the second one, the imbalance that we had over here. So even if we get a short, we can go for a short. what can you do in a price like this? Stuck in one same place and just moving 50 ticks. Not even that. Let's see how RT is doing. It's been a while. And yes, also let's see, just to see it. RT also stuck in this place of imbalance. 1530 was bullish, the price took the imbalance and then flying up. Yes, consolidating as well. Crazy, all the indices are consolidating everything. RT has some, let me see. Oh, I'm gonna keep RT for some time. Well, not really. Well, so in this market condition, I would just not waste my time sitting on the chart waiting for shit to happen. So I'm gonna call it a day. If in case I see any clear push to the upside or to the downside breaking this zone, I would definitely be interested on entering the trade. That I will update in my Discord server. So as for now, I don't have anything to take. I took two trades, both ended up in BE, and what the fuck is going on in here? What just happened, dude? Are you kidding me? What the hell was that? Okay, let's see. Let's see. The market is just trying to be crazy now. For what? We don't have any news pending or anything as such. We have FOMC in 3 hours, so we have a lot of time in that. So what's going on here? Crazy. That was crazy. I was just about to disconnect, but now it gives me some some certainty of volume, so I might stay for a while longer. Hmm. 15, 30, 1 hour, all are going crazy. 5 minutes. I would like to have a break above, and then I will just enter. 3 minutes. No, 1 minute got cancelled clearly from this imbalance. Very clear. So what's going on? What the hell on earth is going on? If we see any volume, or do we see any volume? Well, guys, I think it's just playing with my mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day and see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, trade safe and wait for the breakouts. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a good day.